Hey everybody, my name is Josh Poland and I run Poland's Mixed Martial Arts. Today I'm going to be discussing on how to make a grappling dummy out of a gi top, pillow, and two towels with any belt of your color, whatever the case may be. All right, now for the sake of things, I've already rolled up. You want to roll long ways. Roll both sides. You want to try to have at least even in the middle. You're going to be putting both the other towel on the other side. All right, once you get through right here, now we got a nice dino pillow addition. And go on that point. You're gonna go ahead. Put it right there in the middle. All right, guys. Now, next thing you'll do is you're going to cinch it up as tight as possible. That way it doesn't fall out. Okay? You can adjust it. Whatever the case you need to do it. In this case, one more time. Go under both. Carry it on. Tight. Okay, guys, now you have your grappling dummy. So you can do a lot of different things with this. We'll go into for throwing, etc. But whatever's easier for you guys. All right. Y'all have an awesome day. Again, my name is Josh Poland, owner and operator of Poland's Mixed Martial Arts. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, guys.